moments later.
Science isn't just learned, it's experienced. Today at St. Mary's International College, students step into the lab.
So today I'm going to be showing you the display of the alimentary canal, or you can say the digestive system, or the total dissection. So I'm going to begin from the mouth, where ingestion takes place. The mouth is made up of the upper lip and the lower lip, and a sticky tongue. This is a sticky tongue, which helps in capturing insects and also helps in the ingestion of food. So after the mouth, we have the esophagus. This is the esophagus, this structure. It channels food to the stomach. Directly after the esophagus, we have the stomach. This is the stomach here. The stomach helps for temporal storage of food. Directly after the stomach, we have the duodenum. This is the duodenum. It's used for digestion. And after the duodenum, this is the ileum. This structure is the ileum. Associated with the ileum, we have this structure here, made up of many blood capillaries. It's called the mesenteries. It's called the mesenteries. Now we come back here to where we have lobes of liver. At the liver, helps in the production of bile. In the liver, we have the gallbladder. This is the gallbladder. The structure is the gallbladder. Helps the storage of bile. The structure here is called the pancreas, and it helps in the secretion of pancreatic juice during digestion. Come back here after the ileum, we'll have the rectum. This is the rectum for temporal storage of feces. And the rectum is connected to the cloaca. Cloaca helps, since this is a male toad, it's going to help in the passage of sperms and also the passage of the feces.
Exploring the respiratory and digestive systems through the dissection of a toad, learning goes beyond theory. From identifying the lungs to tracing the digestive process, every step is guided with precision and care. At St. Mary's International College, education is practical, engaging, and impactful. Admissions for the 2026-2027 academic year are officially open. Join a community where learning comes to life.